Hey car lovers, welcome back to Car Trends. Today, we're diving into a modern classic at the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Sport. It's bolder, faster, and sleeker than ever. Is this retro-inspired ride worth the hype in 2026? Let's find out. The 2026 VW Beetle Sport is back, but not just as a cute city car. This year's model packs serious upgrades. Under the hood, it sports a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 241 horsepower and 273 pounds-feet of torque, paired with the 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. It goes from 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds, making it the quickest Beetle yet. And yes, it's still front-wheel drive, but with better handling dynamics. Fuel economy, a respectable 30 mpg combined, making it both fun and efficient. Volkswagen has nailed the balance between nostalgia and modern flair. The iconic rounded silhouette is still there, but now it's sculpted with sharper lines, aggressive LED matrix headlights, a low-slung sport grille, and 19-inch alloy wheels that scream performance. The sport trim adds black tout accents, a rear spoiler, duochrome exhaust tips, and a sportier bumper design. It's still a Beetle broken bar, but with attitude. Step inside, and the Beetle Sport greets you with the cockpit that blends retro charm and modern tech. You've got two-tone leatherette sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and VW's updated Digital Cockpit Pro. The 10-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's a sweet 8-speaker Fender audio system to pump your favorite tunes. The signature dash color panel is back, customizable in red, yellow, or classic white depending on your exterior color. For a compact coupe, comfort is surprisingly solid. The front seats are supported with great bolstering for spirited drives. Rear seat space is, well, a broken bar cozy, best for kids or short trips with adults. Trunk space, around 15 cubic feet, and the rear seats fold down for extra room. Ride quality is improved with adaptive dampers, soaking up bumps better than past models. Even on 19-inch wheels, it feels planted yet smooth. This isn't just a fashion icon anymore. The 2026 Beetle Sport delivers real driving fun. The turbo engine offers quick throttle response and solid low-end torque. Whether you're zipping through city streets or hitting curvy back roads, it feels tight and responsive. The steering is well-weighted and precise, and while it doesn't offer all-wheel drive, the front-wheel setup is surprisingly grippy. Drive modes include normal, eco, and sport, with sport mode sharpening throttle and gear response. It's not a GTI, but it flirts with hot hatch energy. So broken bar, is the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Sport worth it? If you want a car that stands out with iconic style, modern tech, and sporty performance, this Beetle finally delivers. It's a head-turner, a city cruiser, and now a broken bar, a spirited weekend warrior. Starting at around $28,000, it's priced right for young enthusiasts and nostalgic drivers alike. If you want personality without sacrificing performance, the Beetle Sport might just win your heart. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and tell us in the comments, would you rock the Beetle Sport in 2026? Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.